Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. Well, today we're going to fire up the grill dome for the very first time. And this recipe is going to be something we watched, or my wife and I watched on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. It is a restaurant, I can't remember what, I think it's up in Washington, called the Elks House. They did a smoked chicken. Actually, it wasn't a smoked chicken, it was a baked chicken quesadilla with a smoked onion dip. What I'm going to do is go ahead and smoke the chicken and the onions in the grill dome. Stick around. Alright, so I got some natural charcoal in here. I got a little lighting stick I'm going to bury in here. Going old school with some matches. Alright, we'll give that a little time to heat up, and we'll get our chicken on. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Our grill's already at 275 according to this. I will get the ready check on there, the Maverick. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken on. Go ahead and get the second level. And I'm going to add my onions to the top. Try to keep them together. Go ahead and get our thermometer into the chicken here. So my goal here, obviously cook the chicken a couple hours, hour and a, or 2.5 hours. These should take about 45 minutes. We'll go ahead and pull these off. When the chicken's done, when it reaches the correct temperature, 165, 170, we'll go ahead and pull these off and let them chill as well, cool down. So we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so it's been about an hour for the onions. I know I said 45 minutes, but I'd let it go. Go ahead and get these off the best you can. Alright, for our onion dip here, I got my 5 onions that I pureed. I cooled it off, so they're nice and cool. I got 4 cups of mayonnaise, got 2 cups of sour cream, got a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of sugar. Gonna just hit it with a little bit of salt, not too much, we'll adjust later. And about a tablespoon of pepper. Alright, let's get our quesadilla put together. Got some of my homemade barbecue sauce. You can use store-bought. Get some of our smoked chicken on here. A little shredded mozzarella. Thinly sliced red onion. And some cilantro. And that is basically it. Bless you. Get that folded up. Let's get this on the grill. So here we go. This is only 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes on the grill dome. I had the thing cranked up as high as I could get it. Let's go ahead and cut these. Alright, let's give one of these bad boys a try. Some of our smoked onion dip here. Wow, barbecue pizza. That's what it reminds me of. This would be an awesome game day appetizer. You guys give this a try. Thanks for watching. Remember, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.